Here you can see the Zotero user interface. It's divided into 3 areas. On the left is My Library. Here you will find all the titles you have imported into Zotero so far. You can create as many collections and sub-collections as you like under My Library to organize your literature. For example, you can create a collection for each term paper that you have to write. You can then assign your imported literature to as many collections as you wish. When you select a collection, all the titles assigned to it are displayed in the central area of the interface. You can customize the information you would like to be displayed by right-clicking on the top bar and selecting from the options. For example, you can choose to display the year of publication. When you select a title in the list, the bibliographic data is displayed on the right, i.e. title, author, and other information you will need later to cite it correctly. You also have the option here on the right to add a note to a title or sign a tag. There are many ways to customize Zotero. You can find the various options under Edit in the settings. For example, you can add Zotero account in the Sync tab. Once you have done this, you'll be able to synchronize your Zotero collection with your account. You can then access your literature collection at any time from any device and continue working on it. Once you have created a Zotero account and added it here, you can also create group libraries. You can use these to collect and edit literature with others. This group collection is displayed here on the left. Next, we will show you how to import literature into Zotero.